everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Motomads. I'm your Leader Maddie. In this video I'm going to show you two lubricants which we have received from Uniglide Australia. Actually I feel privileged that I have received two demo products to test in my channel. Those are, first one is Uniglide friction reducing concentrate. Actually this reduces friction and heat and also wear and tear and enhances the engine life. Also they are telling that it will increase the bike's mileage also. Let's check that. Actually I am using some other lubricant in this, but still I want to check this in my Dominar. So I am pouring this Uniglide friction reducing concentrate in my Leo. Let's check that. And also apart from that, one more product is there, that is this Uniglide multi spray. We can use it for all the chain lubricants and to remove rust and also to loosen the bolts which were rusted. Along with that also we can use it for the electronic parts. Whatever we are using with the WD-40, all the purpose it is going to solve. Actually these products are not released in the market yet. It has to be released in month of November 15, I guess. I don't know when I am going to release this video. So now what we do is, I will show all these three Dominars chain condition. Based on that I will apply this chain lubricant and we will see the performance after riding certain kilometers. Actually we are riding more 800 to 900 kilometers in next 2 days. So we will check its performance now. Actually I am spraying that. Now I will show the chain condition. Then after spraying and after riding the bike for 600 to 700 kilometers, I will show the chain condition again. Let's do that. Now we will check the chain condition of all three bikes. See this. Actually this bike has serviced recently. Some amount of dust is there. Let's look into Kiran motor lock chain. We have ridden for 600 kilometers. We have not lubed our chains. So now we are lubing all three bikes. This chain completely got dried up. This chain spray is made from CO2 gas. Actually all the chain sprays which are available in the market are made with the LPG. Those are flammable liquids, but this is not. This is unflammable liquid. So now we are applying this chain spray on the chain. See how it looks like. Some thick layer is coming off from this chain spray. There is no gas involved in this Uniglide product. Actually we do not have center stand, so we are moving the bike. This is very viscous liquid. I hope it stays for long life. Right, I have completed the chain spray for my bike. Now I am doing the same procedure for remaining two Dominars also. See how viscous it is. This is VG Vlogs bike. This one is dried up completely. Actually some amount of liquid is getting fallen from the chain. That's okay. We do not have proper stands to install this bike and loop the chain. That is the reason we are doing like this. So that's it. Now I am pouring this friction reducer in my engine. Now we have loosened this oil cap. Recently I have undergone bike servicing, so I am mixing this lubricant in my oil. It is being packed in Gurugram only. The product is from Australia. See how it looks. So I am pouring this in my engine. Actually we require 75 ml to fill in my Dominar, but I am managing with this 50 ml. Let's see how it performs and I will let you know after traveling certain kilometers. Maybe it's around 600 kilometers. Let's check that. We are the owners of these three bikes. We have done the chain loop and I have poured that engine oil lubricant into my Dominar. So I will let you know how it performs after 600 kilometers. So stay tuned. Those clips are coming next. So I have shown you the clips, right? That is how the chain looks like now. There is no dust on it, and also it has getting lubricated automatically, and one kind of thin layer formed on my chain. I really like this product. This is like same like WD-40. We can use it for chain cleaning and also to remove rust, and for electronic parts also to remove moisture from the electronic parts. Viji, what's your opinion on this chain loop?
So what I have observed is there is no dust at all. It's shining like anything. I seriously felt like, is it a silver chain or what?
Yeah.
So it's really shining a lot. And before I used the Motul as well. Okay, there is a difference between this and that. I can clearly see that.
So I hope Uniglide will get succeeded in our India also. All the best for Uniglide, and
Yeah.
thank you so much for sending this product.
All the
And
best.
yeah, also the one which I used in my engine, that is our one of the lubricant from Uniglide. Actually my bike was performing good, and it was 29 to 33 mileage in prior to that, and I need to wait for some more days to get the exact number of kilometers which is performing. I don't think it will give more than 35, but still I am hoping for the best. Guys, this is continuation of Uniglide friction reducing concentrate. Actually I have added this in my Dominar 400, and I found the performance is really good, but I have little doubt that the performance is due to Mac Drive or Uniglide. So that is the reason I am adding it in my Yamaha FZ also. Actually what it does, it increases the engine oil life and also reduces the engine oil temperature. With that our engine parts movement also moves freely. So that is about Uniglide. Actually it cost around 288 rupees for 50 ml. We can use it for one time into our engine oil. So I will show you how to add this. This is one kind of high viscous liquid, high viscous oil. My bike service due is more than 2000 kilometers now. See how viscous it is. Now it gets thoroughly mixed with the engine oil. Just we need to go for a round once. So all the best Uniglide in India.
All the best Uniglide, and we are waiting for your more products. We really loved it, and we are expecting that you share some more products so that we can share our experience and also share with our subscribers.
Yeah. So that's about this product, and thank you so much for watching till the end. Like the video if you like it, and also comment whatever you felt on this product, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Most probably my videos will be in Telugu. This is the one which I am doing in English,
so that it will be useful for everyone.
Yeah.
By neutral audience overall, so that everyone can watch it.
Yeah, that's about this video. Jai
Like,
Hind.
share and subscribe. Jai Hind.